All right, Delight Multimedia, YouTube channel, ki TikTok, Delight Podcast. Chiario, of course, nengen wakili the reality podcast. Karachel wan ki Kevin, mano wanywago jami maduong full, ka eneni kwa, tirane jami magudu, komluak. Jami magudu in miti kanyite dero. Man pira tegada dani, beru machalo phone, beru machal ginu momano pori wi ento, obimini kara, meluodo, ngomano wanywago kanyi, in meketune teach werenene beru mabedda Kevin ajoli yub
afay matek iterene
atie karmalach ni chachi rio no message no yub no beru peredo oh no wabi bino amete ki mot ko joma tikanen wachak yubo kore
okay afay matek silva ke won luak wen mo uti atera ka winywa tin man mabino gi yub mabejo botu and Paul yu poe logo ni kiro mera silva wayeni. Paul etie fony. Ante meni jema uru ngeo eto chamo kena wi watero lightly pwa keriengo chuingo milure ne. Badli eni miero bur kaluri jimi weng nero duju manu ini cho. So gimoy ken ma wan wabi logo kany. Eni ini pet kaluri ne tam. An ke no ni kwak nyo ikin fony nyo ikin lok mwa logo ni. Kapon tie ma inbe gwenye line ye. Chi indi jide bitayare di kenyo.
Eneno. For matek. Yes, still wateka neno ginachel polkara kawa neno. Ibi no ni topic ni watemo nyamune temo winyine iyub mukena mapapat. But this time enitie a little bit unique kind of. Ibi no ni lunyodo gitie kilutino ala nyodo malacho la nyodo madaro karamoro mo o kinuro mo poke. Ento ginadano polkara pemaru ye tutwal ena ye menyoto la tene karane kamatie yani unba karani ene kala cho lubu kita unu poke kere waje kulo indong ene kun pira terni la temer ku ngebe ne joga minage kama dawo tin wachini kulo pobilare Kevin ginenti katime
yes jemeni jemati temene ronduju and tutwale ka chago nero Pole aduina biro lobo kit makeny poke kwere. Kenen jario gitika poke. Kagi poke gi yom chwiny. Jemine be wori nga gi yom chwiny. Ento kagi poke gi akemo. Jemine duju bero gi tuwaja kanyamal. Style la kiro moni kene. But tina tika neno tutwale jo ma pole no either giti ma buberi ma chigu pokeo. Then inge poke lok polo teno dong bino donyo kwe kini. Pien ke dong ini pero ginya pangar mone me nyualo kerne ngo wang madong ini keme gi lok in machalo dahonyo ini machala cho. En wabi chao ginero tutwale side pa mege nyo mon manogo poke gi choge. In dako mo eken kone tigi la cho me nyual gi la cho and ketni la cho uchiro chito. Ke la cho to ma ini ngenu toya luteno ma initie kwere eni food gak luteno mikara pachuari ma luteno gunywara gi yeni. Kere pe nini tiki chende marom machalo ngo miere wek luteno gunge wadi pa uwogi ki beke twere guchet kubet gang bot lunyoro nyo wadi pa la cho gulim gidek pien gitigi twero. Mino kit support mo ken nyo any mentorship nyo maybe kwa nyo do karati poko ngom gwa waje ni luteno putimbe miere ngo giluongi na luteno putim pe romo luongi mikelugi ka otim do no dagane pitika yebe ni luteno ngo ogang mi ario luteno li eni kegitika don in machalo dago pingeo ngo mo batime ya nyim ngeni la nyora chelo kwane ngo urwenyo gwakte dong en ingo in kene dong namadi marione ikwa polo teno le eroni so ka indo jingo ikom luteno ketni la rachetan gwakiro mote mechi in kwoni chirwenyo luteno eno bachako ki kwene so machalo la nyo machalo mego mi kare gi lutini gunge gang pa wugiki pire tekni latin man mironge origin kama ene aye
either gikwanyo kibore kwa luoro unyo ma latin dok romo duokone on the other side.
Ma bajal ke chalo lokalo teno silver ma cannot be rated by where latino baby. No. Ma it is you. Ma is very natural. Ma politics is very natural. There is no way Latin Morgan will sell off the mother. Same way, a mother munywala Latin anywala can never hate the child. Unless the mother any put you Latin in the end. Nyonywal gela cho mama, maybe it was a rape case. Even if it's a rape case, there's an attachment money ma la nyura chela chel machalo megu. Beru kwere gela ten ma engo unywalo. That one is automatic. So there's no way you're going to tell me ni kera teno cher gampa wone gi kuja koni ngarmo dago bachago nyuru iremango over. What normally happens maybe me merene komgo mi wanyani. Pole latin ko chero igang chalo wai pa wone gi kono gang eni lenti ye makwa ye temango mayom. What happens is lunyori chane gi chao onyo channel. Me winning heart palatin eni. But ngayoni, this other mother raised the kid without you. When kid is mature, we have a case story where a child studied without the father up to university. Wanted to be in university, second year child, ping channel. All this while, pingo loka yat, pingo loka ngo, pingo gimoy madonna la tendong, la tena we don't tio ma date dong where university. Of course, university has expenses. Madonna la tendong ti don university majimine dong den chalo dong enbe chako rippingo ka any care investment mama now. Chako onyo chene madoro para wore chan mobir ka gwala teni 3 times. But at the end of the day, Latin is never stupid. So Latin is going to, in university, we want that luxurious lifestyle. Latin will take your offer to meet his demands or her demands at the university. But at the end of the day, they have it in their head, wavuro ketwani mama. Wavuro oyatwani mama. Wagwaro korite yat when we didn't have where to stay, wani mama. That one will be there.
On the other side, Kevin, I know it's like Mondokago deciding. Their decisions are so much into deep to distance a child.
Like they become very bitter with everyone, even the clan. Now in a situation, me na dago biru bitter with everyone. Not dago any dago magang worry pala cho utera marachi.
Piana had a scenario, madam, watching. I think this lady, they had, of course, misunderstanding. Kilacho, this guy didn't support Kwangongoni. This lady raising Latin, Botlu Nyorone, then Okaramo, Ucherwa Nira. Mello Kunying Latin, Kinying Wone. Lokonying Latin dong, Mano Nyeo Team John, Wone Nyeo do, Latin dong Kuberi, Odu. John.
Yes, Time. Because no Pohene was very bitter.
But Penene nature, no, it's not too far.
That is too far, but it still goes back. Lobo magnitude mi Pokewo Silver. Silver ngotie Pokemon ma no edek wa nero loama agi direction. Tutwale ke chalo Pokemi kinga e chare la monpi. No chimu we odgi ocha. You even don't want to cross there.
I know, but Latin ka enene dong tika denying it.
Yes.
Then madwong full
yes. Totally. Now in a situation madoka ragu berachimo guak me Latin la jok Latin ngeni me na pela jok me Latin bengeni en pela jok. Guak gu kero me Latin nyin kaka kalar lok ma me Latin be pingeo. Then gir yamo me Latin no machalo yugi. An pol kare ke ne lu nyoru pala choti kariamo dago gitiu gi leb charo. Gitiu gilep chare kum men Latin li eni. Wak men Latin don kati a kun ngeni ende a gijimi ngo. Wen wa Latin be dong nungo. Pian ke giti riam griem wa gi Latin ni chet gi Latin ni. We have cases where giriam daga gilotina nyera dek piani daga ni nyalo tina nyera ngo. Ki wa ni pilo tino gangwa chok ki gilotena ni wache to. Now, in such a situation, do you think that woman will smile with you? No. In kang inde kwero ano Silva, ikwero ano iriama idiwo makot gwak pedong tichwe, achake gilotin, and you didn't care. Iriama ni aogi ot gilotin. I left your house. Achero, akano kot gwak nyo idiwo na gwako korita yat. You cannot expect me to have mercy on you as a woman. But, ke wadore kit mi chik mi Bible nywete kwaro. Kira donkin marach machalo ngo, miyero watimi ye wuru ngo, kija. Ani nero pa ana nero ni, ke do inen ana nywalo gila cho moni, luteno dong tiye. Magnitude mi akemo miyero dok ngo, dok ping. Because Remo is already involved. It's already mixed there. So there's no way you'll take permanent hatred for such family. Because time will come, whether you want it or you don't want. I pange by luck, Poluteno ma are raised by strict mothers. Very strict. Luteno, in most cases, they end up being very successful, especially the boys.
The boys, yes.
The boys end up being very successful, and once that kid is successful, karado bachaka associating themselves. Nima megwaningo. So kirke ting waito when in Kenny, mapegi konyi, at the end of the day, they will still look for him or her. They'll still look for. Waka watching down mal associating with successful people makonyepe. Makun, kerwa an ngenge ni gwagnera moti permanent secretary ka ti bolo kwiricha wa bera jenye yewe. Ni ngeni nerve TPS. Yes. So, ini mego maike mitike. Ka wori pala tenti ye. Migitie mabe, nyogi pe mabe, weklo teno ngeki. Koko pe yogiro mo, it is up to them. Kebe pogo me, it is okay. No ba you bukimero. But only once yele in Kenny, Loteon is successful, they will look for them. Kergiti wa Canada. They might not look for them physically, but keregi chim, nyokere board any aromera chelti wa Canada. Magono step kid moti lako mena matiko waho. So that connection will always be there. That attachment will always be there. And we are here telling you, don't be a victim, me denying Luteno attachment to their origin. Now what da ko ni bedare for a lot of many side per month. What do we say pacho? Pacho becomes even more complicated kenen la cho gware o porege daro chi Luteno do ching en. There's high chances for a man to remarry.
Wavidugu kwenye tika neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel Delight Podcast. Reality Podcast, of course, wantika vinkanyu watika nywa kumadua mfulu wangeo ni nuduju kache lunyoro ario gupo kela tinti kanyo. Pegi marui, lunyoro mukene pegi chwalo that initiative. Wekla tin kungejo gangi moni. Madaru unyomala cho. Atira ne koromar berutie ikom mamoni kiti wenye mawawajo ni. Kevin Pacho, it is very difficult to twal chawa mukene la cho mekwe really. One cho dori chwinywa money. Kadong no genera nini. There is a way we forget. Why it's okay. Chelile mamani. Ento. Ento. Yes, Kevin. Netika wacha cho.
Well, what did he? Bergelo tero. Mamegi pere por la cho teklo side padao.
Yeah.
Because now cho gi design and get pen ke dago money pay me replacement bengo.
But yeah.
Immediately. And now the problem here, sometimes it is not the man, but the next person me la cho onyomoni. In most cases, stepmothers pay panyeke. And I've been wondering why it's happening so, because to me, at one point I was in a relationship where Lacho had like, Both of them are apart, but in reality, he had about 21 kids. Yes.
Kanyo wachini apario.
Apario, and I don't know, I'm bitter, it is many, but I just took in shit happens.
Yeah.
But on reality, there were 21. Megan is the 22nd one. Now, in such a situation, what are you going to do? Because even if you're to hate one, you're hating the majority team. In my challenge, we have only what? One. So if you're to hate the other one, you'll hate the majority. Now, it brings me back, Paul Kari, Luteno Deno Chan, Kagitie, the issues to Alema, no Wogiga Yetie Kwetki, because stepmothers become very hard. To the point, Mabe Kela Lacho, Watila 10 coachero limkum biological mother nani, Nyak Mena any poba ye, Pianba Watiko and Chero Kujagimio Yat, Gitemo Kono, like they're always very negative about their exes.
Feeling insecure.
Yes. But Gina Chela ma mete daga chela. By the time you are in no when you are looking where daga money chan. And daga chan has moved on. Don't think that woman has a big deal with you. No. The same way your husband has moved on, most likely is the same way she has also moved on. The only attachment moved on kwera you don't know, Latin.
Kapunyoma beno moro mago lo chwenyu.
Now kenen tip watigi type mon at there. Tie mone mako gu poche ki mogo tam ge mi beru kengi. Tie type mone ma no be fulla chop o kwere eto nyuru sai mi kwere na gi ken no do no replacement no. No replacement gi oti. And women cheat more than men, ba? So any time any kwere dagoni initi ka baru chawani. Were winyini ya la meguni furu poka ginyeri mo kene doctor nyomone kuja.
Nobody plan John.
What you on piano there is character assessment when you're in marriage. You assess yourself. No nane la cho in the future my can go. She'll only keep in the house for comfort to buy time because of Latin, but in her head, in her heart, she's far away. So we also have those type of stepmothers with their exes, but the biggest challenge come both daro malacho kelo kwene he on aye pole kelo confusion li eni but both in la chobe ngene aten enoni tigi right minge worry pa menegi kerebe ni kome kwonyo kome pikwo she has or he has right to know where the family of the mother lupa neyune kama giti ye luteno wenti gitwa ya minge Food dog and laganen ma wajeni. We don't want Lutino mechagon you making can.
Yes.
And then maybe one time things become hard in terms of connections going on. What really can help in such a situation? Maybe tiki, maybe chair or yati no guak no Latin pa auntie ni cousins ni money or yat kuja. There's so many help that comes with the benefits of introducing Lutino, both worry in both sides. So, aneroni iken mo beriye. Let's not go with so much hard feelings. And I wish people would understand. You see, lately I would even tell my boyfriend, don't have beef with my ex. By the time I chose you over him, and I'm with you, and it is me introducing you to him as my husband, and you're the one taking care of his own child. That's enough reason for you not even to have issues.
Why? One chowa wajini kadong Latin teacher mo kana no mon puramu wachi.
Koro wakawat iritin silver. Dako mo iken kadong mo katamo kupokigela choni for more than 2 years. Mangan mati berubene. Any ken mapidak. Of course, Cho will make an effort me do jen, but in dagoma we query, la Cho mu awe voluntarily. Doctor watch your yogi kuja. Doctor go economy do bore after disappointment, thinking that you are the rehabilitation center. Then you become a problem. Don't be a center for anyone. Can me get wagini no dago beru loyal, la Cho bo beru loyal. No guak la Cho ti abroad. Pinge ngo muteme udugu kaka eni unogwak lu dog gangur yamo ino chila choro ma chiro gamo in duare kwe gang. Ya choli gi wachi gwok ke do ngoke pitimungo pinao.
Now.
Dok chen ni bituo meo, you know what to do. Because of Dok Chen, stand your ground. Ke dong relationship mo I can pay. Why one job ka dong gwa ko ngai wani. Beto ni chwit ke me ngo ma ticket katalo ko ni la ling.
But that can only happen when kache ada kita gwache de jwa twin your don completely. There is no hope one don ka don ngo. Cho ramu beti cha mkene.
Cho wa ko chini wa an matini cho ma chona ne oduju duata every day. In round now, Daka in what you give, but she's so precious to another man there. Another man is calling her my princess.
Baby.
Not only baby, my evergreen. What you function more? You more bar Daka for 3 minutes. Kono, my darling, my evergreen, my black beauty, my mommy. 3 minutes, one dong molo boti. Wakulu we wa wrong when you call it lock eguni. Futi mionga description. Men will always vibe a woman, however old you are.
It's nature.
It's nature. Wa an cho ma cho na do ata silver every day.
Kevin in for the terrible.
Atiriku. Forget about that. Aba atirido.
Yeah, I know miti watu. But I mean, muti makwangiti. If I'm to say ni kombedi wacha mwaka pa Kevin. Arawani Kevin okay tie Kevin timwaka me biti don Pierre Dek enyo Pierre Dek we are yo.
No.
Dek.
No. I'm 40 plus. I'm 40 plus. And why? Because we need to be soft. At one point you be so hard. How you become bitter, this and that.
Yes,
me all my exes go gone at him. Agamo bewa balo mo ba yera ngaro yanga.
Queen.
Angala. Because what business do we have?
Yes.
We ngari kaya we bawi take bawi we buy Pro Max. Then at the end of the day, who loses? It is you. Because me will not show up. Mapa Daro cannot be diverted. Daro diverts her mind. No, don't any option matieni. Completely cannot what? Work. So I would tell everyone to forget it ni. Kegwak nyo kenyo cat. Oh, la chochane kono. No, that's not going to happen when it comes to women. Especially a woman who is responsible. Will not do that. And then also both Wuncho, you be soft with your exes. Kirdo no daga no temubalma da bore lokpa wona rio, keep it to yourself. O were nero dong mago stepmother choir were releasing luteno no lok ma ila choy loko kwet bod dagoni in that event me chono daga manyini was so negative about the other woman. Keti chona nila lane. Ke megi meku erno chona kinu. Ko bu yene kinu o meta kinu. Ento pedwa issues kom la wori chane as a situation mi chono ranga. Mi chono li en.
I think that is very wrong. Gina, that's very wrong on the other side because which means itikatemo we let to this.
You're trying to get sympathy.
And by talking heal about the other person ka eneni. Yes, George Dano Temo always get pien getamoni ginamon weng meru winyune eno and watcha yo pasatira ngachani about and wearing any adauber kateri maraja dada.
No.
Delight Multimedia YouTube channel, Delight Podcast, itika neno of course the reality podcast. Kamano wanyako jami maduong. Matino beru kanen of course laten kadong tie kenwo. Polo nyor pegi yeni laten kuchirunen unge wedine. Laten kunge jo mone kaganga megu mere pedoki nge kaganga wegu kitungi inoni la nyoda chel peye yetwa nge jami matime iyanyim. Karo bergino mo mapere teradada la tena chela tiki karane.
Yeah, because why nyom? Why latini gi nyom yere karo benga?
Yes.
But yeah.
Just imagine now at the end you're bringing someone yedori me representing but tie jami ma wego mer ku non that is the purpose ma mer latin gi introducing and ikarane.
There are a lot of things that that child will benefit once they know their origin. And I'm telling everyone out there, in life, it should not be so hard. And don't take life too serious. Yeah, chori kan wanda kwa very serious before Karo.
What is serious?
Everything was very serious.
So much serious in life.
No. Life will be flexible. Yeah, chori kan, sorry, waborolok man normally ni. We discuss with hardship. Wala chogi daro we buboklok tutwale in northern region kakene. Borolok madaro boro ginyer gidonge gitemene ya choli kanyi. It is not there. That's why me I find it so hard to relate here. Because Jimmy why no da. No. Be soft.
Then ko chara word bena ma utika wariyo tika donge kete. Why utika nyote?
No, but that is how it should be. That is how it should be. I say my ringa when I'm in love.
Yeah.
That is how I want it to be.
Yes, it should be like that.
Yes, it should be like that.
I want
it
to know neno ti nyote but wano.
Yeah, I want things soft.
Okay.
I don't want to be hard.
Yes.
And I don't want to be too serious. No. But no, the balance in core. Because my parent is our lifespan.
Exactly.
Yes, I look very healthy, very energetic, given my age. It's just because me have decided to be easy on myself. What people now watch again, when maybe my age is not worth it. To me, that is what makes me happy.
Wow. And then no kero wa yagike yobeber kanene matid wabiru watadake ichenrio mabinu chani mano watikanya of course Kevin meneni wanywaho kawa binu ichenrio wabineno lokum success danu tieki gino mwanli ndojo magi wajo ni in weri tuch pil umire aro konkigan ento watieki jomo kene gwav magi tuju pil bene kama giti ye gute mujami maduong full kama giti ye ginwaro kanyo gute mujami ento aduogine pol kare no petie tutwal kitang'ato moni okar kare woro okay kache mero temo gimo should it be ni mer twalo gang kero bitime mabeye kaiti woro kawa dugo bichari kanyo